Hello everyone! I will be showing you how to make a solid color granny square. Start with a magic circle. Round 1. Make a single crochet into the magic circle. Then, make another single crochet on top of the one you just made. This will count as your first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochets into the magic circle. This cluster of 3 double crochets that are worked in the same space is called a granny stitch. Chain 2. Make another granny stitch or 3 double crochets. Chain 2. Continue this pattern of 3 double crochets and chain 2 until you have a total of 4 granny stitches. Pull the tail end of your yarn to close the magic circle. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the first double crochet to finish off this round. Round 2. Turn your work. Make 3 double crochets. The first stitch of each round is a single crochet on top of another single crochet. This counts as your first double crochet. Chain 2. Then, make 3 more double crochets in the same chain space. This pattern of 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets that are all worked in the same chain 2 space makes a corner of your square. In the next chain 2 space, make 3 double crochets. Chain 2. And make 3 more double crochets in that same chain 2 space. Repeat this pattern for the next 2 corners of this round. Slip stitch into the first double crochet to finish round 2. Round 3. Turn your work. Make 3 double crochets into this space between 2 granny stitches from the previous round. Then, we will make the first corner of this round. Work 3 double crochets in the chain 2 space. Chain 2. Make 3 more double crochets in that same chain 2 space. This completes your first corner. make 3 double crochets in the next space. Continue this pattern until the end of the round. To end this round, slip stitch into the first double crochet. Your granny square should look something like this at the end of round 3. Round 4. Turn your work. Make 3 double crochets into that first space. Then we work our first corner. Make 3 double crochets in the chain 2 space. Chain 2. And make 3 more double crochets into the same chain 2 space. In the next space, make 3 double crochets. Continue making 3 double crochet stitches in every space. And for each corner, make a pattern of 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets, all worked in the same chain 2 space. I have now reached the end of round 4. Slip stitch into the first double crochet to finish it off. And that's how you make a solid color granny square. Continue adding more rounds if you want a bigger granny square. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.